give it a big round of applause. So I will request Sir Robert to kindly present for us.
Thank you so much. See, this is a kind of a mix crowd, I believe, from different backgrounds. Is it? So from science, arts. Okay, coming to the perspective of plant tissue culture, let me put my perspective, myself in the picture. I was in Mizoram University, Department of Biotechnology, and we know that biotechnology, information technology, and management are multidisciplinary, right? So in biotech, we deal everything, starting from the basic science to the applied science or to the commercialization, so and so forth. So I was heading the department for 16 years, and I was the, anyway, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So what we did, and particularly what I did, is that I was the one who was handling the plant biotechnology. Alright? So I joined in January 2007, then I got a project to popularize plant tissue culture industry in the Nordics. And through that project, the project was worth more than 1 crore. So, now if you consider 1 crore of 2007 and now manifold, right? So we introduced many crops that are produced when we get tissue culture technique to the farmers. And there has been success story. Strawberry, banana has been a success story of the United States. And one particular farmer in 2016, he was earning about annually 16 lakhs only on strawberry. And that was introduced in 2011-12 batch. So we tested many varieties of tissue culture. Okay. So the idea is that what I'm trying to emphasize here is that product, then marketing of product, there is another aspect. And me coming from the science background, we are basically interested in how to use our technique or technology, okay, for entrepreneurship development or for marketing. All right. So long back, I was associated with such thing because we know that biotechnology, there, I don't know about here, we are associated with every department, even Hindi, English, everything. I was everywhere. All right. So farmers will come, then we have a visual department. They translate and we give them training. So many aspects are there. Okay, it is not only confining to our classroom teaching or laboratory. Yes, we do that, but why do we do that? All right. So that was the concept. All right. So this was something which I will do. So now I told the story or success story of strawberry of a particular farmer. Now what I'm going to emphasize today is that the production unit. So way back in 2009, we have one international conference on ASEAN countries. Okay, this look is policy, and you know that there was we have a very senior professor from economics. He just called me for a top resource person. So I don't know what to talk about. All right. So my talk started with the slogan. No product, no market, no market, no economy. All right. So let us start from the basics. Let us talk about that because I want to draw your attention on the technique and all these things. Okay. Let us say, hey, anyone coming from Ligla or associated with Ligla or any kind of food processing industry in Manipur or Timid? We have seen. Industry these days. I know Tamil Joy Kumar, because I don't sit idle whenever I come up with 20, 30 days, I stay, I venture around, talk about all these things, give talks, blah, 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 go back. All right. So I was asking him, Tamo, how do you get your produce? Come on, say nothing. Even we dream big, if you do not have the produce at hand, how can you have a successful entrepreneurs? Okay, so that part is way back in 2009, my talk was there. Potential of horticulture products of Northeast for the ASEAN market. my first question is that, do we produce enough even for local market? Alright. Do we produce quality material even for exporting to Middle East or to Japan? We don't produce good material. So many things we don't address. Correct? We talk about so many dreams which still are in the pipeline. Okay, and that is the beginning of this talk. Issues, how to produce, how to adopt the technology and compete and dream. Alright, so that is the idea. Ma'am Yako, I hope all of you can understand Manipuri.
So mixed also, sir.
Mixed, okay. So that is the idea. So we have to be very realistic, okay? We have to be very realistic. At the same time, we have to see the cost-benefit ratio of establishing or producing this thing. And mind you, in the entire STEM sector, there are no plant tissue culture unit. Okay. Before starting this thing, I think people must have seen Anthurium. I'll tell you the story. Anthurium plant.
Uresa.
Ureko. Marketa kaya one cut kaya sing sila 150 kuma pibra.
So 950, 50 rupees they them how sir.
Okay. I
mean
don't know
Bangalore day like sir.
Bangalore day. Yes, go. Let us see the Mizoram scenario. Go. Plan around 150 p. 150 okay, it is produced in the set out condition. You know where it is coming from? It is coming from a company called as Antura, based in Bangalore. The plants are produced tissue culture, and where the original company is located, it is in the Netherlands. Antura is a company based in Netherlands. They have a unit in Bangalore. And Mizoram, being a successful state, they purchased